Did Grandma give you that truck? Do you like that truck Grandma gave you? That's a neat truck. That was nice of Grandma to get you a truck, right, Silas?
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa. Ow.
Ow. Ow. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Oh, the truck went upside down. Did he fall over?
Ow. Ow down.
He fell down?
Ow. Ow down. Ow down.
They need a kiss? Mwah.
Oh, Daddy. Up there. Up there.
Bless you. Can you say thank you for the truck, Grandma?
Thank you.
Love you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Grandma.
Thank Mama.
That was nice of Grandma. All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye you. Mama.
Bye-bye, Grandma. I love you.
Love you.
Love you. Okay, goodbye, Grandma. Thanks for the truck.